All right, I just spent the last few hours in the garage getting the Professional Awesome quick release splitter mounts on the car. Those are all set. I have the side of the mount that goes on the splitter. Those are all set. I think I'm ready to get this thing on for the first time on the car. So yeah, let's see how it goes. All right, it's on for the most part. This mount here is just off a little bit. I can use washers to shim it in and out. I think I just need to bring it in a little bit. But other than that, it's on the car. All right, now since I don't have the cables to be able to pull both sides at the same time, I don't think it's going to come off without the help of my wife. So I'm gonna get her down here, pull on the other side while I pull on these, get this side shimmed properly so it fits. And then of course, as I do with all my splitters, I have to do the proper test. I weigh 240 pounds. I'm gonna stand on it. And maybe I'm gonna stand on it with my wife. And we're gonna see how strong these are. So I will record that